Hey, it's John the Net Guy, and today I'm here to show you about the LK Design Apple Watch Screen Protector. I'm a little rough on my toys, so a screen protector for my Apple Watch is right where it's at. Now this is the highest rated one I could find from LK Design. Much like a regular phone screen protector, as soon as you bring your watch home, you want to add one of these. You don't want to wait until after scratches occur. There are 8 of them in here because these things do take a little bit of a beating and you may have to replace them more often. There are the dust absorbers, looks like a static card, alcohol prep pads, the screen protectors themselves, as well as a little alignment tool here. So again, to install this, very easy. We're going to take the alcohol prep pad. We're going to clean off the whole front surface of this. You want to get all of your fingerprints, oils. Now you can use this tool to help keep the crown off of the surface and to keep it from slipping. Now you might be able to see there the very fine scratches that I have in the front. Now this is a 4-step process, but these are labeled, which is great. So you can align the screen protector right over the top, and you're going to want to remove number 1. Once you have that, you can go ahead and press it down and remove number 2 while sliding it forward. Lift up number 3, sliding that down, and lastly, remove number 4. Now, if you do get any bubbles, that's okay. Just go ahead and push them out to the corners, and they will naturally disappear. So you can see I have a couple bubbles down here on the bottom. I'm just going to push down. Now, if they don't go away after a day or two, you may have a piece of or speck of dust in there, and then it would be a-okay to go through and add a new one. But this has got a screen protector now. So there you go. That's how you can protect your Apple Watch face here. It's still going to be able to move around and it's still going to swipe normally. You can clean it, but you can also know that your screen is protected from anything that might cause a scratch. This has been John the Net Guy, and these are the LK Design 8-pack screen protectors for your Apple Watch 7, 8, or 9.